Welcome to LaLas World. Today's video is Amazon Watch Party Tutorial, How to Watch Movies with Friends Online. Be sure to click subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos. Log into your Amazon Prime account and go to Prime Video. And right now I'm just going to select Free to Me and I'll choose this movie. Okay, once you get on the movie page, look to the bottom right. You'll see Watch Party. Click on Watch Party. Some things to note are that the person that creates the watch party controls the movie and can pause, stop, fast forward. And Watch Party only works in the US as of right now. Look to the right and you'll see a chat section. I'm going to enter LaLas World and then click Create Watch Party. After you do this, you'll be able to share your watch party link with your friends. You can click Copy or you can click Share. Clicking Share will allow you to share your link via email, Facebook, or Twitter. After you do this, click to the top left to go to the chat section, and here you'll see your friends chatting during the movie. If you want to chat, just type and send the message so all of your friends can see it. Basically, when someone has the link, they would just paste it into their web browser, enter their chat name, and click Join Watch Party. And they would be entered into the existing chat and they can chat with the rest of the watch party during the movie. When you want to end the watch party, make sure you're in the settings menu and click to end watch party. Then confirm by clicking yes, and you'll see a confirmation that the watch party has ended. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.